The bird is flying on the tree, above the tree, or over the tree. Hey guys, are you also confused about where to use on, where to use above, and where to use over? So don't worry, watch this video till the end. I promise your all confusion will be gone. First, where to use on. We use on when something is above something and touching it. Like this is a table and here the cat is sitting. So we say the cat is sitting on the table because the cat is touching the surface of the table. Got it? Now where to use above. We use above when something is positioned at a higher level than something without touching. See the picture. This is a cat and this is a light bulb. So we say the bulb is above the cat's head because the bulb is positioned at a higher level from the cat without touching the cat. Got it? And where to use over? We use over to show movement above something. Look at this picture. This is a flying bird and this is a tree. So we say the bird is flying over the tree because the bird is moving above the tree, as you can see here. And with movement we use over. And we also use over when something covers another thing. Look here. This is a sleeping baby and this is a soft blanket for baby. And mom comes and covers the sleeping baby with soft blanket. So we say mom tucked the soft blanket over the sleeping baby. Here we use over because the soft blanket covers the sleeping baby. Got it? So now let's play a quiz to test ourselves about this concept. The stars are blinking, blank the trees. On, above, over. Which is correct here? So see, these are stars and these are trees. And the stars are not moving. They are positioned at a higher level than the trees without touching. So above is correct here. The stars are blinking above the trees. The cat is sitting blank the roof. On the roof, above the roof, or over the roof. So on the roof is correct because we use on when something is above something else and touching. Like this is the cat and this is the roof. And when the cat is sitting here, the cat is touching the surface of the roof. So on the roof. Got it? See, spread the towel blank the table. On, above, over. See, this is a table and this is the towel. When you spread the towel, it is covering the table. So we say, C spread the towel over the table. If C just puts it, then we will use on. Got it? The dog jumped blank the fence. On, above, over. Look here. This is the dog and this is fence. And when the dog is jumping the fence one side to another side, the dog has movement. So over is correct here. The dog jumped over the fence. The cat is walking blank the wall. What do you think, guys? Which is correct? On, above, over. Okay, this is the wall and this is the cat walking here. And when the cat is walking, her legs are touching the surface of the wall. So we say the cat is walking on the wall. Was it easy, guys? The balloons are decorated blank the cake. On the cake, above the cake, or over the cake. This is the cake and these are balloons. Balloons are not touching the cake, so we will not use on. Okay? See, These balloons are positioned at a higher level than the cake without touching. So we will use above. The balloons are decorated above the cake. We write our notes blank paper, on paper, above paper or over paper. Okay, see, this is a paper and this is a pen. And when you write, your pen's lead is touching the surface of the paper. So on is correct here. We write our note on paper. The plane flew blank the mountains. On, above, over. So when the plane is flying, it is moving one side to another side of the mountains. And for movement, we use over. So we say the plane flew over the mountains. The picture is hanging blank the sofa. Okay, so this is the sofa and this is the picture hanging. See, the picture is hanging at a higher level than the sofa without touching it. So right answer is above. The picture is hanging above the sofa. She held an umbrella blank her head to keep herself dry. On, above, over. Look here. This is the girl with an umbrella and it's raining. This is her head and you can see the umbrella is covering her head. So we will say she held an umbrella over her head to keep herself dry. The hot air balloons are drifted peacefully blank the rolling hills. See, these are rolling hills and these are hot air balloons drifted peacefully at a higher level than the rolling hills without touching. And in this case, we use above. So answer is above. The butterfly flew blank my head and landed on a flower. Look here and understand. This is you and this is a beautiful butterfly. And it flies and landed on this flower. When it was flying over your head, it had movement. So we will use over. Got it? Very good. And now I want to give you a homework. These are 3 sentences. First, the cat is sleeping blank the rug. Second, they taped a poster blank the old wallpaper. And third, fluffy clouds are blank the tall buildings. And you have to fill these blanks with on, above, over. So please write your answer in the comment. I will check it, and if you are new here, please subscribe my channel to learn grammar in the easiest way. And thanks for watching.